morning, viewers, and welcome to a brand new episode of the London Wanderer. Today, we are at the ArcelorMittal Orbit, which is UK's largest sculpture. So come, let's explore this beautiful place. ArcelorMittal Orbit is part of the Olympic legacy, and it's a landmark one must definitely not miss. This magnificent structure was designed by sculptor Anish Kapoor and engineer Cecil Beaumont. It's made up of 35,000 bolts and enough steel to make 265 double-decker buses. Now the best part about this structure is 60% of it is made from recycled steel and from used cars, washing machines. Isn't that wonderful? Right now we are standing at the base of the sculpture, exploring this red lattice tower and its twists and turns. There is a lift that takes you up to the top for a spectacular skyline view of London. The ArcelorMittal Orbit has the world's tallest and longest tunnel slide at 178 meters with 12 twists and turns. It truly is a hair-raising experience. These are the beautiful lawns surrounding this particular area. Look at the greenery here, it's so beautiful. And that magnificent blue structure you can see in the background, that is the Olympic Aquatic Center. Here you have the world's longest and tallest tunnel slide. The tunnel slide is an exhilarating and hair-raising experience that's not for the faint-hearted. You need to hold on tight through the twists, turns, and the drops of the world's tallest and longest tunnel slide as it weaves its way through the iconic red steel frame of the ArcelorMittal Orbit 12 times. And riding the slide is just one way to make your way to the ground. You can also relax in the lift or enjoy the gentle descent of the 455 steps that wind their way down the sculpture. The view from the top is absolutely breathtaking, and this is UK's tallest sculpture, so the view from the top will be like one you've never seen before. At the top, you can book the venue for various different functions like weddings, award ceremonies, and parties. This venue can accommodate up to 270 standing guests at a time. Isn't this a spectacular location for a once-in-a-lifetime event? The silver loopy structure that you can see is the tunnel slide, the world's largest tunnel slide, in which you're sure to have an exhilarating experience. And that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned and stay safe.